Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT 504 Gateway Timeout error. So to start, once you're on ChatGPT, go to the top left corner of your browser and click on the icon that says View Site Information or this lock icon. Tap on that, then select Cookies and Site Data. And after that, tap on Cookies down here. So you'll see a list pop up. Now go ahead and delete everything there. So tap on ChatGPT and tap on Remove and tap on Done. Then go back to ChatGPT and refresh the page. Next, click on View Site Information again. And this time, go to Site Settings. Once you click on Site Settings, here you need to click on Delete Data. Tap on Delete. Then next, you need to go to Permissions and tap on Reset Permissions. Then click on Reset. Now for the next step, go to your Windows. Now, go to the search bar and type CMD and run it as administrator. Then click on Yes. Now, once the command prompt opens, type this command ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. After that, type net sh space win sock space reset and press enter again. And now finally restart your computer. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and tap on restart. Now, once your PC boots back up, open your browser again and log in back to ChatGPT, refresh the page if needed, and check if everything is working properly. Now, if the issue is still there, then it's likely that OpenAI servers are temporarily down. In that case, you'll just need to wait until the service is back online. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.